Hello everyone. In this, we will understand how do we do data interpretation from a pie chart. The following pie chart shows the sources of funds to be collected by the National Highways Authority of India for its phase 2 projects. Study the pie chart and answer the question that follow. So here they gave us some 5 components. One is market borrowing, which is 29,952 crores. External assistance 11,486 crores. SPVS 5,252 crores. Toll 4,910 crores. Annuity 6,000 crores. So like that, the distribution has happened. First question, nearly about 20% of the funds are to be arranged through. So they gave us some options. So here what we will do to understand the percentage, we will create one table below. Having 7 rows, we'll create. And we will create 4 columns. So here we will write the components, market borrowing. The next one is external assistance. Then the next one is amount, we'll write amount in crores. Market borrowing 29,952. External assistance 11,486. Then SPVS. Then toll. Then annuity. Here we will write percentage contribution. We will also understand about the angle in degrees. Then SPVS is 5252. Toll is given as 4,910. Annuity 6,000. So if we add all this, we will get 57,600. Now individually we can find out the contribution. First one, 29,952 divided by 57,600. That is working out to 52%. Then 11,486 divided by 57,600. That is 20%. Five two five two divided by 57,600. That is 9%. 4,910 divided by 57,600. That is 8.5%. 6,000 divided by 57,600. 4%. So this one, 5252 divided by 276. 9.1 we can write. So together it will be 100%. We'll also calculate angle in degrees because subsequently one of the question they are asking angle also. 29,952 divided by 57,600 multiplied by 360. We get 187.2 degrees. Then next one will be 11,486 divided by 57,600 into 360. You will get 71.8 degrees. Next, 5252 divided by 57,600 multiplied by 360. We will get 32.8 degrees. 4910 divided by 57,600 multiplied by 360 will get 30.7 degrees. 6,000 divided by 57,600 multiplied by 360, you will get 37.5 degrees. Totally, it will be 360 degrees. Now, here the question is near about 20% of the funds are to be arranged through. We already got the percentage for individual component. External assistance is contributing 20%, which means our answer is B. Let us move on to the next question. Second question. If NHAI could receive a total of rupees 49695 crores as external assistance, by what percentage approximately should it increase the market borrowing to arrange for the shortage of funds? Here, actually, the old external assistance amount is 11,486. Let me write it. The old external assistance is 11,486 crores. New, what they say, they could able to collect only, they could receive only 9695. So new external assistance will be 9695. Means the shortfall is 11,486 minus 9695, we get 1791. So how much percentage should it increase the market borrowing? So the old market borrowings is how much? 29,952. 29,952 crores. And now we have to find out how much percentage this market borrowings needs to be increased. Percentage increase will be the shortfall amount, that is 1791 divided by 29,952, multiply it by 100. Approximately this works out to 6%, which means our option is C. Let us move on to the next question. If the toll is to be collected through an outsourced agency by allowing a maximum 10% commission, how much amount should be permitted to be collected by the outsourced agency so that the project is supported with rupees 4910 crores? So here we need to calculate amount to be permitted to be collected by the outsourced agency OA should be equal to whatever amount which they were supposed to collect. In that they should get 10%. So I will just multiply it by 1.1 to arrive at 5401. Actually, this should be not this, it should be 01 crores. 5401 crores. Crore rupees. That is the solution. So our option is C. Next, fourth question. The central angle corresponding to market borrowing is, already we calculated angle. Let us go there. Market borrowing angle is 187.2. So this is option C. Let us go move on to the next question. The approximate ratio of the funds to be arranged through toll and that through market borrowing is. So we need to find out what is the ratio toll divided by market borrowing. Toll is 4910 given in the diagram and market borrowing is 29952. 29952. If we calculate, we get 0.164. Now, let us individually find out these options. If it is option A, it is 2 by 9. 2 by 9 works out to 0.22. Option B, it is 1 by 6. That works out to 0.167. Option C is 3 by 11. That works out to 0.27. Option D, it is 2 by 5. And that works out to 0.4. So now, among all this, 0.22, 0.167, 0.27, 0.4, nearby is 0.167 to this 0.164, which means our right option is option B. That is the solution for all the questions.